Let's hear now from Andrew Close, the head of IT for JLL, the global real estate services provider that operates in more than 80 countries.
JLL's been on a digital strategy path for a couple of years now, and one of the key drivers behind our digital transformation is productivity. We want the team to be focusing their time on collaborating and achieving outcomes for our clients rather than internal bureaucratic paper-based processes. Our old method for invoicing used to involve a whole lot of printing out a document, putting a stamp on it, signing it, photocopying it, then scanning it. Nowadays, that's completely online. They're re-engineering the way in which they work because of that product.
So you heard there from Andrew about real clear examples of how to benefit from digital transformation and indeed document productivity within that. No doubt digital transformation is changing everything from an IT perspective. How software is bought, deployed and used is changing beyond recognition. So there's more to this than you think. The spending on digital transformation is immense. Just on the PDF e-signature solutions alone, spending last year was in excess of $2 billion. All software spend nearly $300 billion, and digital transformation spend is forecast to be in excess of $1.25 trillion. Over 70% of companies say that digital transformation is their top IT spending priority in 2019 and beyond.